Hi, welcome to this episode of Worldwide Canadian. I'm Tim Clark. Today, new chargers are now working at Vantage in the Volkswagen dealership in Truro, Nova Scotia. Stick around. Hi, welcome. I was in Truro, and so I did a little bit of investigation as to fast charging. In Truro proper, there is no DC fast charger above 24 kilowatt hours. And back about 4 months ago, Vantage Motors Volkswagen was allowing people to charge on two of the ChargePoint 24 kilowatt chargers they had installed at the dealership. And you would go in and tap your card, which was a credit card. There was no network involved, so you had to take your chances and assume that nobody would have been there. But in any case, they uninstalled those two chargers, and nobody was really 100% sure what was going to happen. Now, it turns out that that dealership is under new management, a new owner, and they've installed ABB equipment now, and they finally, after about 2 months of having that be empty, have installed them, and about a month after they first installed the units, they turned them on, and I used them today for the first time. Here's how that went. So luckily the chargers are now online. I'm charging. They charge up to 24 kilowatts, and right now there is no charge being taken for the charge, but I assume that they'll set that up later. So I'm currently charging at 16 kilowatts and at 41%. My battery is completely warmed, and I've been here 27 minutes, so I'm not sure why I'm not getting a little faster than that, but it is ramping a little bit. Now, I had a little bit of a problem because my battery was between 21 and 25 degrees Celsius, and I was at a low state of charge, below 20%, and I still only got 16 kilowatts as the maximum speed from the charger, even though it's rated for 24 kilowatts. And the Kona EV electric that was on the charger beside me was drawing 21, and another Kona pulled up shortly after that, and I had moved over to make sure it wasn't just the unit that I was on, and they were charging at over 21. So I'm not sure what happened and why my Hyundai Ioniq 5 is charging at a slow rate at that charger. Later on, when I charged on a flow charger, I got the full maximum 50 kilowatts at one point, and I stayed at 49 for the entire time that I charged. So now if you're looking for a quick top up, at least it's 24 kilowatt per hour available, which is a little bit better. Now, right now I'm charging, I've been here for about 25 minutes, and they're not set up yet for actually taking the funds from your account. You just plug in and they start charging. So hopefully they stay in place for public use, because there's a very short supply of any kind of charging in the Truro area unless you want to go to Masstown. And Masstown, the flow charger there is 50 kilowatts, but it is so busy sometimes it's hard to get in there to get a charge. So this is kind of a last resort charge for me if I need enough power to head back to the city, and I'd like to be able to make it all the way without stopping. And so I'm happy to say that these are back in order, and for those looking for a quick charge up, this is a good option in Truro, Nova Scotia. So all in all, very good news for us in the charging world, for the electric car drivers out there. There are many more chargers coming online, and I'll be posting videos about them when they do. For now, thanks for stopping by Worldwide Canadian. I'm Tim Clark. If you can like and subscribe to this video, that would help me a lot. And also, if you click on the bell icon, you'll get notified when I upload new content. That's it for today. See you next time.